Welcome to our usability test for the Puffco alarm clock. In our group, we had myself, Margie, the test moderator, Kyler, the test note taker, and Andrew, the test timekeeper. We knew that the environment which we tested our product was key. We needed a space that was quiet, controlled, and had little distractions. We chose the Mercer Court Common Room. We had 3 participants, Millen, Claire, and Emma. These participants all had varied experience when using a device that was similar to our product being tested. They were also all available during the necessary testing period. In order to highlight some of the alarm clock's main features, we decided that there are 3 main tasks that we wanted to test: setting the alarm clock for 6:30 a.m., setting the radio for 106.1 FM, setting the sleep mode for 60 minutes. We decided to incorporate a couple different metrics in order to improve efficiency. We needed to measure the amount of time it took to complete each task. We then decided to deem that the task was either pass or fail. If the task took 1 minute or under, we considered that task pass; any longer and it was considered fail. In order to measure overall usability, we asked the participant at the end of each task to rate the difficulty on a scale from 1 to 10. Our first set of results for Millen, who had previous experience using a device like this. He was able to set the alarm in 35 seconds and rated the difficulty a 6. He set the radio in 54 seconds and rated that a 4, and set sleep mode in 45 seconds and rated that a 6. He was passing across the board. Our second set of results were for Claire. She hadn't had any prior experience. She was able to set the alarm in 33 seconds and rated the difficulty a 6, set the radio in 10 seconds and rated that a 4, and set sleep mode in 35 seconds and rated that a 7. She was also passing. Last but not least, we had our third user, Emma. Again, no prior experience. She was able to set the alarm in 21 seconds and rated the difficulty a 1, set the radio in 38 seconds and rated that a 4, and set sleep mode in 20 seconds and rated that a 3. She was also passing. With all the data collected, we were able to come up with a few redesign recommendations for the alarm clock. We suggest that the buttons are enlarged and that there are individual icons for each button to help distinguish their purpose. We also believe that if you forego the control panel aesthetic, it would lead to a more intuitive design. This could also prevent the user from having to view the alarm clock from multiple angles when setting the features. Lastly, we would also increase the mobility. Our suggestion is to remove the battery feature and make the alarm rechargeable. This would also cut down on any additional imposed costs on the user. Finally, we feel confident with our current test. However, improvements can always be made. In the future, we would diversify the group, whether by age, gender, or demographic. We would increase the amount of participants as well as increase the amount of tasks. By highlighting the tasks that reflect each feature of the alarm clock, we can view improvements from every angle. Lastly, we would ask each participant for individual points of feedback. This could potentially bring awareness to issues we didn't know were there. Thank you.